If you're trying to figure out the best high yield savings account, there's really two that stand out the most. There's SoFi and Barclays. One offers the highest APY available right now, while the other one keeps things extremely simple with no requirements. So let's start with SoFi. This is the better option if you're looking to earn one of the highest APYs available right now. And at the time we're recording this video, SoFi is offering a 4% APY promotion on their high yield savings account. And to give you a little bit more context and put in an example, the national average savings rate is around 0.4%. So if you have $20,000, you would only make $80 per year. Compared to SoFi's 4%, that would make $800. So yeah, we're talking about the difference of roughly $720 per year, simply just using a better savings account. Now there is one requirement to get the full rate, and that's with setting it up with direct deposit. And for many people, that won't be a big deal, especially because you already have a paycheck going somewhere. But this is something to keep in mind. And beyond the interest rates, SoFi also includes some key features that people will find helpful, such as the saving vaults to organize money for different goals. There's early paycheck access when you use a checking account, and a clean mobile app that just makes everything easier to manage. And right now, SoFi is running a new account bonus promotion, so I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check out the latest details on that offer. But the direct deposit requirement just won't be for everyone. So if you'd rather keep things as simple as possible, the other account that really stood out during my research was Barclays. Barclays offers a much more straightforward high yield savings account. At the time recording this video, it's paying around 3.7% APY, which is still significantly higher than the national average savings rate. And using that same example as before, if you had $20,000 in savings, earning 3.7% would generate roughly $740 per year. Compare that to the $80 per year at the national average, there's still a big difference. And the biggest reason why people will choose Barclays is because just how simple the account is. There's no monthly fees, there's no minimum balance requirements, and there's no direct deposit requirements. You just simply open up an account, move your savings over, and start earning interest. And similar to SoFi, Barclays is currently running a limited time bonus offer for new customers, so it's worth checking out the latest promotion before signing up. One thing I realized over the years is that building wealth is a lot more than just finding the highest APY or the best investing app. Things like budgeting, debt, savings, investing, and just understanding how money actually works can make a massive difference long term. And honestly, most people were never really taught this stuff in school. Even understanding small things like interest, debt, and saving strategies can make a huge difference over time. That's why this video is sponsored by Coursera. They have a Fundamentals of Personal Finance course that covers topics like budgeting, credit, investing, and financial planning in a beginner-friendly way. And honestly, this is the kind of stuff I wish just more people learned earlier. And if you've been wanting to improve your financial knowledge, they're currently offering 40% off for 3 months of Coursera Plus through the link in the description. So which one should you choose? It really comes down to what you're looking for. If you want one of the highest APYs available and more banking features, then yeah, SoFi is probably the better option for you. But if you'd rather just keep things extremely simple with no extra requirements, then Barclays is a really solid option. Either way, both options are a massive upgrade compared to the other traditional savings accounts, paying almost nothing these days. And that's why choosing a good high yield savings account can make such a big difference over time. If you'd like to learn more about either of these accounts, I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can check out the latest rates and the current bonus offers. And if you enjoy content like this that helps you save more and make smarter financial decisions, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And by the way, YouTube thinks you're going to enjoy watching this video next. See you in the next one.